Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will give you a tips the way how you can take a note super easy and fast whenever your teacher explaining you things in a fast way and make you difficult to take a notes by listening on what they said. So open your Google Docs applications right away and tap into this plus button on the bottom side here, and then just go click create the new documents. And then you just need to go create the title for the documents. Let's say here the task one, and then just go tap create. Now you already have this blank documents on it. So if you want to take notes super easy, so you just need to tap into this voice button side here and just go activate it, this,